Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my Arduino interactive LED flowing lights. So in this activity, as you can see, we have the layout here for the Arduino Uno, and at the end of this video I'm gonna show you my output for the video for this layout. So I'm gonna explain how this process works. So in the we have the breadboard here, Arduino Uno, 8 LED lights, 8 220 ohms resistors, 1 potentiometer, and some jumper wires. So the cathode here is connected to the ground in the power rail, and the anode is connected to the 220 ohms resistor, and the resistor is connected to the Arduino Uno, and each resistor has its own respective digital pins, as you can see, from digital pin 2 to 9, and the potentiometer is connected to the 5 volts AO and ground. So when the simulation starts, the digital pin 2 will light up in here, as you can see, and once it reaches to digital pin 9, it goes back to the start. So as I change the potentiometer, the LED lights should loop faster. Wait for it. There we go. It's blink faster. So as I gradually reduces the input here in the potentiometer, it's also change LED lights here. So I'm gonna explain the code here in a second. There we go. So we have the variable declaration. So in this three line, we have the constant integer in the lowest pin, which is the digital pin 2, and the highest pin is the digital pin 9. And this constant define the range of digital pin from digital pin 2 to 9 that the lights are connected to, and a constant integer path pin, or AO, this constant specifies the analog pin to which the potentiometer pin is connected for its reading value. So we have the void setup, and the void setup runs once when the Arduino board is powered up or resets. So we have the for int here. So this line loops iterates through all LEDs from pin 2 to 9, and we have the pin mode output. So this line inside the loop, each pin is configured as an output, so the Arduino can control the voltage or turn it off, on or off. So we have the pin mode input. So the potentiometer pin, or AO, is configured as an input in here to read the analog voltage level from the sensor. So we have the void loop function. So the loop function contains the main logic and runs continuously after the setup is complete. So once the setup is complete, it will proceed to void loop function. So in the input value equals analog read, so this function reads the voltage from path pin and returns a raw integer value between uh, 0 volts to 5 volts, and the 5 volts is this value here. uh, so this is where the value is stored in the path value, in here, in path value. So in the int delay time equals map path value. So this function proportionally converts the path value from its input range from 0 to 1023 to a new desired output range, which is this 20 to 500. So this is the map value, represents a delay time in milliseconds. So the 20 is the fastest millisecond, and the 500 is the lowest millisecond. So when I turn the potentiometer here, let's start the simulation. So when I turn the potentiometer to this in here, this will extreme in a result, which is the 20 millisecond delay, and this is the slowest one, the 500 millisecond delay. So back to the code. So we have the left to right on, which is in here, in the first 4 line. So this line sequentially from pin 2, which is the lowest pin, to pin 9, the highest pin, with a delay time between each. And the second loop turns the LED low or off sequentially back to the pin 9, from pin 9 to pin 2, again with a delay. So as you can see, we have the delay here and here. And the third loop, which is turns the LED into high sequentially from pin 9 down to pin 2. And the fourth loop here, the fourth loop sequentially from pin 2 up to pin 9. As you can see, we have the lowest pin and the highest pin. And I think that's all for this code, and I'm gonna show you the real output video in a second. So this is the output for the interactive LED flowing lights. So as you can see, we have the breadboard here, the Arduino Uno, the LED lights, resistors, potentiometer, and some jumper wires. So when I do increase the input here for the speed, which is 20 milliseconds, as you can see, the LED lights loops faster. So when I gradually decrease the input here in the potentiometer to 500 milliseconds, it's also decrease the time. I think that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice one.